Welcome to Normandy Village, nestled in the heart of Berkeley, California. As you embark on this walking tour, prepare to be enchanted by the picturesque charm of this unique destination. Normandy Village can be found along Normandy Road and Spruce Street, boasting a collection of quaint cottages that transport visitors to the idyllic landscapes of France. The history of Normandy Village dates back to the early 20th century, when it was designed by renowned architect Bernard Maybeck. Inspired by the rustic villages of Normandy, France, Maybeck sought to recreate the ambience and architecture of this European countryside. As you wander through the winding pathways, you'll encounter vintage lampposts casting a warm glow, adding to the timeless allure of this hidden gem. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, take a moment to admire the charming architecture that defines this neighborhood. From half-timbered facades to sloping roofs and intricate details, every building tells a story of craftsmanship and history. The village was built as part of the Berkeley Architectural Heritage Association's efforts to preserve and celebrate the city's unique architectural heritage. One of the most notable features of Normandy Village is its dedication to preserving its European-inspired aesthetic. Residents and business owners alike take pride in maintaining the village's distinct character, creating a harmonious blend of past and present. you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, Normandy Village offers a one-of-a-kind experience that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Its vintage charm has attracted artists, writers, and dreamers for generations, drawn to its timeless beauty and romantic ambience. The best time to visit Normandy Village is during the spring and summer months, when the weather is mild and the flowers are in full bloom, adding an extra touch of beauty to this already enchanting setting. Each building tells a story of days gone by, with their weathered exteriors and intricate details serving as a reminder of its storied past. This place is home to a vibrant community of artists and creatives who draw inspiration from its serene surroundings and rich cultural heritage. Did you know that Normandy Village has been featured in several films and television shows over the years? Its timeless charm and quaint atmosphere make it a popular filming location for productions seeking to capture the essence of a European village. From the beloved comedy Mrs. Doubtfire to classic films like The Graduate. memories of its serene streets and charming architecture linger in your mind. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on future tours. And don't forget to like, share, and spread the enchantment of Normandy Village with your friends and fellow explorers. Until we meet again, may your travels be filled with beauty, wonder, and the joy of discovery. Safe travels and au revoir.